Good morning, everybody. So today is Monday, January 22nd. So last week, Wednesday, we talked about the class policy. And then last Friday, we start the session 7.1, right, everybody? So today, we're going to continue on session 7.1. So remember, every week you're gonna print out the worksheet of that week. So on Wednesday, we're gonna talk about 7.2. So please go to the course website. Yeah, do you all can see the course website? So week 1, we'll talk about 7.1. And week 2, we talk about 7.2. And then week 3, we talk about 7.3 and 7.4. Yeah, so this is the blank worksheets, and I also provide notes with answers. Okay, so you can see solve. And I strongly recommend you to print like more handouts in advance, because sometimes if we finish early, let's say if we finish 7.1 in the middle of the class, then we will start 7.2. So it's not always like, oh, I just covered 7.1 in this class. So this schedule is just our plan. We might be finished earlier the session, and then we start a new session, or maybe we're behind schedule. Okay, everybody? So I strongly recommend you to print out all the notes, and then do you know there are hole puncher next to the printer? So you can punch holes and then put them in a binder. And so you bring the binder, every class, you just look at that corresponding handout, and then we go over it. Okay, everybody? Do you all know how to print out stuff from the library? Yeah, you have $100. If you don't use it, you will lose it. So every semester you get $100. Okay, so our first homework is due this Friday, right? And it's gonna be about session 7.1. So hopefully after today's class, you can start working on your homework. And remember your homework, we use my open map for the homework. And when you click Canvas, and then you click Assignment, then you can click Show by Type. The assignment, the first homework is about session 7.1. I give you the complete solution. So this is the solution. All right. So if you get stuck on some problems, feel free to look at the solution. Each problem, you have 3 attempts. But after 3 attempts, if you still get it wrong, my open map will generate a new problem, but just different number, similar type of problems. Okay, so you have unlimited attempt to do your homework. This Friday, when I say due date is this Friday, it means you at least need to do something. So you have the first attempt by this Friday. And then after this Friday, you can still work on the problems until you get perfect scores on your homework. Okay, is that clear, everybody? And for some of the problems, you also can see some videos. Like here, do you see video 1, video 2? So you see some YouTube videos like the instructor show you how to solve some problems similar to this. So hopefully with my solution and also with the videos, it can help you when you do your homework. And of course, if you have questions, feel free to come to see me. Where is my office? Right there, 159, just behind the wall. Yes. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so this is applied check, right? And then I usually teach applied Cal 1 in the fall, and then I also teach applied Cal 2 in the spring. So do you need to take applied Cal 1 and applied Cal 2? No? Some of you, yes? No, some of you don't? Okay. All right. So let's see. Okay. Last time we talked about radian measure and degree measure. We know 360 degree is 2 pi. Do you remember that, everybody? Mm-hmm. So pi is 180 degree. So how to convert between radian and degrees? Okay, so if you're given degree, you have the degree symbol there, right? Oh, let me see. There's some sound. Oh, okay. So I need to close that. Okay. Oh, out. Okay. Yeah. All right. So when we have degree, we want to get rid of the degree. So how do you get rid of the degree? You put the degree symbol in the denominator so you can cancel it, right? So we put the 180 degree in the denominator, and then you put the pi in your numerator. And last time I tell you, you either try to factor, find a common factor and cancel it, or you can use your calculator. Do you know how to use your calculator and get fractions? So when you enter your calculator, don't enter the pi. Okay? If you enter the pi, some calculator will give you decimals. You don't want to see decimals. You want to see fractions. Okay, so if you had some chemistry or physics class, you will be familiar with this, right? How to convert between different units. If you have seconds, you want to convert to minutes. And then you see, we have seconds, we don't want seconds. So we cancel the second. How do you cancel the second? You put the second downstairs, right, everybody? Then, you want to get the minute. So you get to put the minute upstairs. And 1 minute is 60 seconds, right? So second cancel, and then the zero cancel. 22 over 6, the common factor is 2. 22 divided by 2 is 11. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay? So we can convert second to minutes. Similar with, liter, milliliter, gallons, all those different units, how to convert between different units, similar to that. Okay, so practice. State the radian measure of all multiples of 30 degree and 45 degree going around a circle using the notation of these angles as a fraction of a full circle. Okay, so let's do that. Let's start with 30 degrees. So this is the XY plane. This is the x-axis, and this is the y-axis, right, everybody? And we have 0. The origin is a point 0, 0. Let me get, okay, orange. Okay, so this is the origin, okay? And we usually start with, so the initial side is the positive x direction. So this is the initial side, and then your terminal side of the angle is kind of getting bigger. So the angle is getting bigger, right? So if we're right here, then this angle is 0 degree. So we start with this. Okay, this is 0 degree. And then we want to see all multiple of 30 degrees. So multiple of 30 degrees. Okay, that's 0 degree. Do you know the angle 90 degrees is a right angle? And 30 degrees is what? 1/3 of 90 degrees. Do you agree? 1/3 of 90 degrees. So if this is 90 degrees, and then you cut it into 3 pieces. So this is 1/3 of 90 degrees. Oh, this is the attendance alarm. Okay, so I take attendance after 10 minutes. So just in case some of you come in a little bit late because of the snow. But if you arrive late, make sure you watch the recording so you don't miss that information. Because usually we remind students, hey, this week we have homework due, we have quiz due. So I usually remind students at the beginning of the class. So if you come in late, make sure you watch the recording so you don't miss anything. So I start to count attendance this week. So last week, if you missed some class, it's okay. So I start count attendance this week. Remember, you miss no more than 6 classes, okay? Of course, excuse absence don't count, okay? So, and please start your initial. This is second week, Monday. Thank you. Okay, so 30 degree is right here. And then we increase, right? So this is 30 degree, and then here is 2 copies of 30 degree, which is 60 degree. And next one, this is 90 degree, right? And we increase 30 degree. Okay, what's 90 plus 30? 120. Okay, next one. 120 plus 30 degree. 150. And then 150 plus 30 degree. 180. Yes. 180 degree. And then 180 plus 30. 210. Yes. And then 210 plus 30 degree. 240. So 240. 240 plus 30 degree. 270. 270 plus 30 degree. 300. Sorry. 300 plus 30 degree. 330. And then 330 plus 30 degree. 360. So you see, 360 is one through rotation, right, everybody? And we know 0 degree and 360 degree, they are coterminal. Coterminal means they have the same terminal side, right, everybody? Okay, so we got all the multiple of 30 degree. And so keep in mind, right angle is 90 degree. And then this is what? Straight angle, 180 degree. And then here is 270 degree. And then right here is 360 degree. So those 4 is very, very important. Okay. And we want to also write down these angles as a fraction of a circle. Okay. A fraction of the circle. We know 1 full circle is 360 degrees. Right, everybody? And 30 degree over 360 degree is what? So cancel the 0. 3 over 36 is 1 over 12. Oh, so 30 degree is 1 over 12 of a circle. Right, everybody? Okay, so let's write this down. Okay, because the problem says I also want to write down the notions of these angles as a fraction of a full circle. So 30 degree is 1 over 12 of a circle. Thank you. Right, everybody? Let's keep going. How about 60 degrees? So this is 1 over 12. So 60 degree is like 2 copy of that. Do you agree? So 2 over 12, which is what? Yeah, 2 over 12 of a circle, which is 1 over 6 of a circle. Make sense, everybody? How about 90 degrees? 1/3. 1/3 or 1/4? 1/4, yes. So this is 3/12 of a circle, which is like 1/4 of a circle. Yes, everybody? Mm-hmm. Okay, how about you guys take turns to answer my question so everybody get a chance? Okay, 0. So 120 degree is how much of a circle? 1/3. So we increase the 3 by 1. So 4/12. 4/12, which is 1/3 of a circle. All right. So, and then keep going. How about the next one? Do you know that, Erica? The next one. So this is 4/12. And this one is, yeah, 5/12. We increase by 1. So 5/12 circle. Okay, how about this one? 1/2. Yes, because it's 6/12, right? Which is 1/2 of a circle. Next one. 7/12. Do you all see the pattern? We increase the numerator by 1, right? So 7/12 of a circle. Next one. 8/12, which is, what's the common factor? What? 2/3. Yes, 2/3 of a circle. Right. Okay, next one. 9/12, which is, yeah, 3/4 of the circle. Keep going. Next one. You mean 10/12? 5/6. Yes, 5/6 of a circle. Next one. Yeah, 11/12 of a circle. Yes, everybody? Okay. So this, we have the degree. How do we convert into radian? How do we convert 30 degree into? Yeah, so we multiply by pi and divide it by 180 degree. So we can carry off the degree. And do you see the zeros cancel? What is 3/18? 1/6. Good. So this is pi/6. We want to convert degree to radian. So we want to carry off the degree. We put 180 degree downstairs. And we put the pi upstairs. Right, everybody? So 3/18. The common factor is 3. We divide by 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So this equals to pi/6. Right, everybody? So pi/6. 30 degree is pi/6. And then you increase 30 degree. It's like 2 copy of pi/6. Right? So here, 60 degree is 2 copy of pi/6, which is pi/3. So here, 2 copy of pi/6, which is pi/3. see the pattern? Right? This is 1 copy of pi over 6. 2 copy of pi over 6. This is what? How many copy of pi over 6? 3 copy of pi over 6. 3 copy of pi over 6 is pi over 2. Yes. Follow the pattern. How about here? How many copy of pi over 6? 4. Good. 4 copy of pi over 6 is 2 pi over 3. Very good. Yes? So far, so good, everybody. And actually, you can see 60 degrees is 1/3 of a straight angle, right? So straight angle, and you divide into 3 pieces. This is pi over 3. This is 2 pi over 3. Yeah? Okay, how about this one? How many copies of pi over 6? 5. Yes. So we have 5 copy of pi over 6. And then, how about here? 6 copy of pi over 6, which is pi. 180 degree is pi. We know that, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, how about here? How many copies of pi over 6? 7. Yes, so this is 7 copy of pi over 6. How about 240 degree? 8 copy of pi over 6. So 8 copy of pi over 6, which is 4 pi over 3. Very good. Next. 9 copy of pi over 6. What is 9 over 6? 3 pi over 2. Very good. 3 pi over 2. Okay, next one. How about here? 10. So 10 copy of pi over 6. So 10 pi over 6, which is 5 pi over 3. Right, everybody? Mm-hmm. So I strongly recommend you to print out the worksheets. And remember, in the last week of the semester, if you show me all your notes, you get 1% extra credits. Okay? So keep taking notes and show me your notes. Okay, how about the next one? 11 copy of pi over 6. Yes. And then the last one, 2 pi. Yeah, 12 pi over 6 is 2 pi. Oh. Okay, so that is all multiple of 30 degrees. Everybody can see the pattern? So once you get the 30 degree, then you just add multiple of it. All right. We're not done. Now we need to do what? 45 degree. Let me use a different color. Okay, if you have different color, you can also use different color. Okay, 45 degree compared to 90 degree is what? Half of 90 degree. Yeah, this is 90 degree, half of it right here. Yes. So 45 degree is right here. And this is 1 copy. The 2 copy of 45 degree is what? 90. Yeah. And then another copy, you get what? 135, right? 90 plus 45 is 135. 135 plus 45? 180. 180. plus 45? 225. 225 plus 270. Yeah, 270. 270 plus 45. It's 315 plus 45. 360. Yes, everybody? We get all the multiple of 45 degrees. Okay, so what is the fraction of a full circle? So 45 degrees. Let's do the same thing here. 45 degrees over a full circle, 360 degrees. And what is that? 1 over... Let's count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 copies of that, right? So therefore, each one is 1 over 8 of a circle. Yeah, everybody? Okay, so this is 1 over 8 of a circle. And the 90 degree is what? 2 over 8 of a circle. 2 over 8 is 1/4. It matches with our answer. Right? Okay, how about here? 3 over 8 of a circle. So 3 over 8 of a circle. How about here? 4 over 8, which is 1/2. We also get that. This is 5 over 8. Okay, 5 over 8 of a circle. Are you able to follow? Am I going too fast? Oh, okay. Next one. 6 over 8, which is 0/4. That matched with our answer, right? And then this one, 7 over 8. Yeah, 7 over 8 of a circle. Then when we get back, it's 1 circle. Right, everybody? So that is the fraction of a full circle. What else? Radian. Yes, radian. 46 degree. We want to get rid of degree. And we want to get radian. How many pi, right? So what is 45 degree over 180 degree? Yeah, so it's pi over 4. And actually, you can see from the picture, this is a quarter of a pi. Right, everybody? A quarter of a pi. So that is pi over 4. And then 2 copies of pi over 4, you get what? Pi over 2. How about here? Here we get... How many copies of pi over 4? 3. 3. Pi over 4. Good. And then the next one? Yeah, 4 pi over 4 is pi. It matched with our answer. Yay. This one? 5 pi over 4. And then next one? 6 pi over 4, which is 3 pi over 2. Right, everybody? Next one. 7 pi over 4. Okay, 7 pi over 4. And if we get back here, that's 8 pi over 4, which is 2 pi. Okay, everybody? So all these are common angle. They're special angles. So later on we'll learn like a lot of different trig functions, and we'll evaluate the trig functions of different angles. So all of these, they are common angles. Okay, multiple of 30 degrees and multiple of 45 degrees. Right? So be familiar with this circle. Any questions about this circle? No? Okay. So find the pattern. Start from 30 degrees and then you add multiple of it. And then start with 45 degrees and add multiple of it. Okay. Now we have different degrees, different angles. Okay, let's see. How to convert to radian. Yeah, so we want to get rid of degree. So we put 180 degree downstairs and put the pi upstairs. Right, everybody? So we can get rid of the degree. Let's try to simplify. Okay, is there any common factor? What's the common factor? Oh, okay, 3/5 pi. Mm-hmm. So you either like find a common factor, cancel the common factor, or if you use your calculator, do you get fractions? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Can I ask you another question? So look at this picture. Do you know about the quadrants, right? The first quadrant is from 0 to 90 degrees. And then quadrant 2 is from 90 degrees to 180 degrees. Quadrant 3, 180 to 270. And quadrant 4, 270 to 360 degrees. This angle is in which quadrant? 108. 2. This is in quadrant 2. Right, everybody? Mm-hmm. Okay, so you do number 3 and tell me which quadrant it lies in. So everybody work on number 3. So bring your calculator to class all the time. So you want to get fraction 4 Yeah, 108 divided by 180 times pi. You don't have to multiply by pi. Because if you multiply by this pi, if you multiply by pi, you just get this. We don't want to get that. We want to get this. So when you do a calculation, don't worry about the pi. So this is in number. So that expresses if you want to express common fraction. So this means it's negative 1 and 4 over 15. So 1 plus 4 over 15 is like 15 plus 4 over 15. Pi. You can use pi over 180. Oh, okay. So this no, this here. This one.
Yeah.
Did you put the pi there? Okay, so let me try the first one. 108 divided by 3. And don't put the pi in the calculation.
Yeah, I did it.
Oh, you did
This
it?
was just when I was on this one. I was breaking it down. I got 38.
Oh. Okay. If 38, then you still have a common factor 2. So you can continue.
Yeah. Okay. No.
Second. Yeah. This is fraction decimal. Oh, okay. So you use 108 divided by 180, and then this is decimal. You just yeah. All right. So everybody depends on your calculator. So for some of you, your calculator give you proper fraction notation. Then you need to change it to improper fraction. So let me show you. Okay. So everybody, did you put like pi over 180 degree? Yeah. And when you want to get a fraction, so you know there's some fraction multiplied by pi, right? And when you plug in your calculator, you put minus 228 divided by 180, and you get a decimal answer. And for some of your calculator, let me see. It gives you the fraction right away. Okay, so for some of your calculator give you like this brand of calculator give you the answer right away. And also if you put the pi there, it also has the pi there. Okay, so I think this calculator is better than for some of your calculator, you have to press the second button, and then you see the F and change to decimal. So that's fraction interchange with decimals, and you might get 1, and then this is what 4 over 15. Yeah. Do you get this symbol after you for some of your calculator? Do you get this? This means it's negative 1 and 4 over 15 pi. So this means it's negative 1 is equal to 15 over 15. So this is improper fraction, and this is proper fraction. This is 1 and 4 over 15. But you know 1 is 15 over 15. Yeah, everybody? So if you have this kind of calculator, you see this, then you have to do more work. So 1 over 15 is, 1 is 15 over 15. And then when you add 4, what do you get? Negative 19 over 15 pi. Yes, everybody? So it really depends on what type of calculator do you have. Okay, so for some of the calculator, you need to do more work. For some of your calculator, if you get this answer, that's good. Do you all get this answer? Everybody? Mm-hmm. Okay, good. All right, let's continue. So this problem, if you get decimal answer, that's fine. I'm fine with that. Yeah. Because this is a integer, but this is a decimal already. So if you get decimals, that's fine. So everybody try number 4. If you get decimals, round your answer to like 4 decimal places. You don't have a pencil? Tell me, I can give you one. Oh, thank you so much. Yes. Oh, okay. Negative. Do you have the same thing? Let's see. Yeah, it looks good. So what did you find? You have the same answer? Oh, you already finished? Okay, good. Oh, okay. So in the exam, you cannot bring this. This is graphing calculator. You cannot use this. So buy a different one. Yeah, that one's good. That gives you the fraction and the pi. Yeah. But there's a way for this one. I think it's if you put what is it? So if you put 108 divided by 3.6, is it more? Fraction. I don't remember. But I know there's some way, but I don't remember which one.
That's right. I'm just gonna get the right.
Okay, yeah. Okay, do you all get the answer? What is your answer? So you multiply by pi and then over 180 degree, and that is 7.992. How about 4 decimal places? You get 4 decimal places? And what's the next digits? 6? 7.9916. Oh, thank you. I see, yes. So 16. Okay, right. This is decimal. Okay. Any questions so far? Yes. Okay, let's see. No, times pi divided by 180. You see the pi? Go back. You divided by 180, yeah, and then times pi. Oh, it's 7.99168. If you see 8 in the next digit, what do? Round up. So it's 7.9917. Okay. You all get this number? Everybody? Okay. Next one. Convert radian to degree. Alright, if you want to get rid of the radian and get degree, you want to get degree, so you want to get the degree in your numerator. Yeah, everybody? You want to get a degree in the numerator. So we know 180 degree is now upstairs. Then downstairs, what do you put? Pi. Oh, you see pi cancel. Plug this in your calculator. What do you get? 165? Thank you. So we get 165. And everybody try the next problem. Okay. You get it? Oh, don't answer. Don't put answer. Here. negative 1 yeah, the negative. Everybody, when you click negative, there's a negative button, there's a subtraction button. So they are different. Just be careful. Good job. Yeah, so if you finish number 5, do number 6. Good. Okay. Number 6, do you get negative 210? Yeah, so we multiply by 180 degree divided by pi minus 210. Okay, now tell me negative 210, which quadrant it is in? It's negative 210? Yeah, quadrant 2. Because you go this direction, you go clockwise direction. If you go here, this is negative 180 degree, and 210 is like 30 degree more than 180 degree. It's actually here. Do you see negative 210 is coterminal to 150? And it makes sense because negative 210, you add 360 degree. What do you get? 150. Yeah. So they are coterminal. So it is in quadrant 2. Okay. Good. How about the last one? So you get decimal? You might get decimal? Or you get you have to yes, decimal. Keep your decimal to 4 decimal places. No. By the way, here this is radian. So it has no pi. Then this is the radian. It's not a multiple of pi. So radian is not always include a pi. It could be a number. So pi, it just means what? 3.1415. Next digit, I don't remember. Okay. But pi is just a number, 3.1415 something. Okay. So your radian don't necessarily have the pi in it. That's really good questions. Okay. So what do? You multiply by 180 degree and divide it by pi. 876.1679. Oh, 1. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, so this is how we convert it to degrees. Oh, degrees. So what do I miss? The degree symbol. Everybody, when you finish your work, make sure you check. Are you in degree? If yes, then you should have the degree symbol. If you don't have the degree symbol, it means you're in radian. Is that clear, everybody? Good. Okay, let's continue on Wednesday. So on Wednesday, we will finish 7.1 and we will start 7.2. So also bring your 7.2 on Wednesday. Okay. You can start working on your homework, okay? But we still cover some more on Wednesday. Okay? See you. Have a good day.